Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. This is a level A1 story, perfect for beginners. Let's get started and see what Mochi the Bunny is up to this morning. It is a beautiful morning in the garden, Cho. The sun is shining brightly, birds are singing their sweet songs, and everything feels fresh and new. Rumbly, tumbly, grumbly, Mochi is hungry. What is for breakfast? Mochi asks himself, his voice a soft squeak. He looks around the garden, his eyes wide with curiosity. At first, Mochi hops over to the vegetable patch. He loves carrots. He takes a big bite. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The carrot is so fresh and crispy. She nibbles and nibbles until the big carrot is all gone. That was a good start, Mochi thinks, feeling a little less hungry. But Mochi's tummy still has some room. Hanging from the branches are beautiful red fruits, too. The juice dribbles down his chin. Now, Mochi is feeling quite full, but he thinks he can eat just one more thing. 2. He hops a little further and finds a small bush with long yellow fruits hanging in a bunch. He has never seen these before. Curious, Mochi gently peels one open. Inside, the fruit is soft and white. He takes a tiny taste. He finds a small, yellow banana. It's so creamy and sweet. Yum, yum, yum. Mochi pats round, full belly. He is not hungry anymore. He feels satisfied and content. All that eating has made him thirsty. Mochi dips his head and drinks some cold water. Slurp, slurp. It feels so refreshing. Now Mochi is full and happy. Seeds down on the soft grass and looks around the beautiful garden. I love my breakfast, Mochi says with a happy sigh. He truly is a happy bunny. Found a crunchy carrot, a sweet apple, and a yummy banana. With a full tummy and a happy heart, Mochi feels a new burst of energy. What should he do now? Breakfast is over, and the whole day is ahead of him. It is time to play. And that's the end of our story, Mochi's breakfast. Let's review some of the new words we learned today. We also learned about some delicious foods. A carrot, which is orange and crunchy. An apple, which is red and sweet. Mochi was a happy bunny after he ate his breakfast and drank some water. What is for breakfast? Mochi asks. He finds a big orange carrot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. He finds a sweet red apple. Mochi is full now. He drinks some cold water. Che, great job everyone. You can practice this story to improve your English. Try reading it aloud. Then, he ate a sweet red apple. What do you like to eat for breakfast? You can tell us in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us for Storytime today. We hope you enjoyed learning with Mochi the Bunny. Learning English can be a fun adventure, just like Mochi's search for breakfast. And you will become more and more confident. Remember to be like Mochi, curious, happy, and always ready for a new adventure. We will have more fun and easy stories for you soon. Bye for now.